Little materialistic minions, it's me, Beau. I am coming to you today with an outrageous claim because I, yours truly, have found the best iPhone case in the world. Now, that is an outrageous claim because I have tested quite a few cases out there and everybody has their own particular preferences, and that's okay, but I'm gonna be exclusive here for a moment and give you the reasons why I personally have purchased a silk wallet case in the past, and once it got good and dirty and stretched out, I actually went and got another one, and just for giggles, I got my wife one too. Isn't that a nice color right there? Look, she even put her cards in there already. Oh, that's just cute. All right, I'm gonna tell you a few of the features why I like this particular wallet case. The first thing is, I can't stand the wallet cases with the cover that goes over like that. I know it looks like a book, and as a Christian, I think it's kind of cool to have a little book in your pocket that looks like a Bible, because I love the Bible. But when you are flipping something over and it's up against your ear and this flap is flopping all over the place, you don't want that. You just want something clean like this. Now, the other thing that I like about this is that I've tested in other wallet cases. They have like these little tabs that you have to pull up. This, on the other hand, I'm actually gonna show you right here with these cards. So when you pull these out, and I've actually fit 4 cards in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not gonna pull them out because they're my credit cards. I don't want you to go on a spending spree. I don't have that much money anyway. But anyway, they all fit in there nicely. So I would recommend starting with 3 cards. And if you have to do 4 cards like me, because I have a lot of business type entities, I have to fit 4 in there, and they fit very comfortably. If you try to fit a $1 bill or a $20 bill or maybe a spare check or something, it will stretch out. And once this is stretched out, it doesn't stretch back. And that's the case what happened with my old silk wallet slayer type case. This just got way too stretched out, and I actually, out of necessity, had to put another card in there, even though I didn't need to, in order to fit them nice and tight in there. Now, they have made a few improvements since their older type cases, and the most remarkable improvement that I personally have found, if you look very carefully, see the little power button? It's raised. That's very helpful, especially at night when you reach over and you're grabbing your phone and you're trying to find the power button to check the time, or maybe you're scrambling to find the volume button. You'll see that all the buttons on the side are raised. And on their old cases, they aren't raised. They're almost kind of flush. And so it's hard to find it on the side. So that just goes to show that the silk people are actually continually improving their designs, which I think is really legit. Now let's go ahead and pop this iPhone 6s into there. Oh, by the way, it does come with a screen protector, and I did a great job on this one because you can't see any air bubbles. Woo! If you do get air bubbles, then you can just kind of gently unpeel it and then put it back. There are all sorts of tutorials on how to put these screen protectors on. But anyway, it's a nice little pickle that they add a screen protector in there. Oh, wait. There is a bubble right there, I think. Oh, you can barely see it. Oh, I'll fix that later. But anyway, this is how you pop it in. So you just smash it in like this, and you smash it like that. The nice thing about this is that it is kind of a soft type rubber. You'll see how kind of squishy it is like that. So you can put it in with one hand, and then once it's in there, it stays in there. It's not going anywhere. Now, do keep in mind, this isn't absolutely perfect. No iPhone case is. And if you drop it on gravel face down, and there's like a little rock right there, and it hits the face, it will crack. And I know that because it cracked my other phone right here. You can barely, oh, wait, it's this one. You can barely see the little crack right there, the little hairline going right across there. And it was in this case. So yes, the case will fail if you drop it straight down on top of some pinpoint type object like a rock. But if you drop down on the flat surface like that, or like that, it'll be fine. And I have literally dropped my phone 100 times. And by the way, in case you're wondering where I cracked that, it was in Nepal. And I was on the road, and it was a crazy adventure. I was filming a documentary there on the persecuted church. Really, really intense. In case you don't know, I run a nonprofit film studio, and we produce film for other nonprofits. And I go all over the world helping missionaries, producing films for them and things like that. And I also collect weapons. So I love Jesus, but I also love weapons. Not that I'm a violent person. But anyway, you don't care about me. Back to the iPhone cases. Highly recommended. So this is the red color. I personally like the red. I think that's a bit more manly compared to sort of this teal color, which is Liz's favorite color. Liz is my wife, by the way. It's her favorite color. She fit 3 cards in there comfortably. I fit 4 comfortably. Also, when you put the phone in there, it depresses this little tab, which pushes the cards so the cards won't actually fall out. If I were to shake it like that, the cards will fall out. But once you put the phone in there, the design is such that it presses that, and so it's pushing the cards into place. It's a rather brilliant design. See how when you kind of push it, it pushes the cards like that? So anyway, pick one up. It's very economical, highly recommended. I'm on my second case for a reason, not necessarily because this failed, but because it's dirty. You take it everywhere. It's just filthy. And I was so pleased with it. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get one for me and one for my wife. 5 out of 5 stars, highly recommended. There you go. My name is Beau. I look forward to testing and reviewing more fun things here on Amazon.com.